Creativity in everyday life encourages us to look at our routines differently. Creativity can be as simple as trying a new way to study, designing a fun activity.
Absolutely. Now to explore this topic further, we have some interesting segments planned for all of you. Let's start with a short skit prepared by Class 7A.
Creativity unleashed a day in the life. Scene 1. The misconceptions. Alex and Jordan walk home from school chatting about their day.
I just don't get it, Jordan. Mr. Patel keeps telling me about how important creativity is. But I'm not an artist or a musician. I'm just a regular high school student.
Creativity isn't just about art, Alex. It's about finding new ways to do anything. You can be creative in every part of your life.
Like what?
Let's make today a creative day. We'll see where we can use creativity in everything we do.
Scene 2. Creativity at home. Alex and Jordan arrive at home. Their mom is in the kitchen.
Hi kids, how was school?
It was good. We were just trying to figure out about how to be creative in everyday life.
Creativity. You know it's not just for school projects.
इसमें खाने में क्या बना है?
Vegetable and chapati kids.
मैं वो तो नहीं खाऊंगा. मैं तो बस सैंडविच खाऊंगा.
चल अपनी यूनिफॉर्म चेंज करो, बनाती हूँ तुम्हारे लिए सैंडविच.
Mom takes the same vegetables and starts putting them in bread.
ये लो, उन्हीं सब्जियों से एक सैंडविच.
That's creativity in kitchen.
So creativity can just be about trying something new.
Exactly. It's about experimenting and not being afraid to do things differently.
Scene 3. Creativity in problem solving. Alex and Jordan go to the garage where Grandpa is tinkering with an old bike.
Hey Grandpa, what are you up to?
I'm trying to fix this old bike. I don't have all the parts, but I'm trying to use what I have on hand.
पर आपके पास उस सीट का पार्ट तो है ही नहीं. उसको ठीक कैसे करोगे?
ये देखो मैं इसे कैसे बनाता हूँ.
Grandpa takes some old stuff from the house and tries to replace the missing bike part.
ये देखो बन गई बाइक. कभी-कभी कुछ चीजें हटकर करनी पड़ती है. अगर मैं अभी मैकेनिक के पास चले जाता तो कितना टाइम वेस्ट होता और पैसे भी. That's creativity in problem solving.
So to be creative, you don't always need the right tools, just the right idea.
Exactly. Creativity is about finding new ways to solve problems, no matter what you have on hand.
Scene 4. Creativity in learning. Later, Alex and Jordan are doing their homework with their friend.
क्या है ये सब कुछ भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है. बार-बार रटता हूँ, भूलता हूँ. मैं नहीं कर रहा ये.
क्या याद करना है? Periodic table. अरे इसके ऊपर तो गाना बना हुआ है. There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, oil, carbon everywhere, nitrogen out through the air with oxygen, so you can breathe and fluorine by your pretty neon to light up the signs.
ये तो बहुत इजी था. तो इसको ऐसे गाएंगे.
There's hydrogen and helium, and lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, hydrogen out through the air with oxygen, so you can breathe and fluorine by your pretty neon to light up the signs.
देखा? हो गए ना 10 elements periodic table के याद?
That's creativity in learning.
ये तो बहुत इजी था.
Scene 5. The realization. The next day, back in Mr. Patel's classroom, the students are discussing their experiences.
So class, what did you discover about creativity? We learned that creativity isn't just about art. You can use it in cooking, fixing things, and even learning the periodic table.
Creativity is about learning new things, looking at problems from different angles, and not being afraid to experiment.
Exactly. Creativity is a powerful tool that everyone can use in every part of their life. It helps you see the world in many ways and makes life much more interesting. I used to think that creativity is only for artists, but now I see it's for everyone. I'm going to keep looking for creative ways to do everything.
Creativity isn't just for artists or inventors. It's for anyone who's willing to look at life with curiosity and imagination. Whether it's cooking a meal, solving a problem, or even tackling homework, creativity makes every day more exciting. So let's see how creative you will be today.
तुम क्यों परेशान होते हो? कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं. इसे सरल व सरलता से समझो. कलात्मक बन क्रियाशीलता को पहचानो. कलात्मक और क्रियात्मकता का यह सौंदर्य है कि हर चीज को सरल बनाए. जो चीज कठिन लगती थी उसे सरलता से अमल में लाए. कैसा हो गया सरल या फिर खुद समझना आए। कलात्मक के खेल ने भी ये क्या रंग दिखाए। हर चीज में सरलता से कठिनता के सौंदर्य को समझो, कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं, इस अंतर को समझो। खुश हो जाओगे तुम जब कर पाओगे कुछ मुश्किल को सरल। कलात्मक बन, क्रियाशीलता को पहचानो, कलात्मक बन, क्रियाशीलता को पहचानो।
Thank you for that wonderful speech. It really shows that even the toughest tasks can become enjoyable with a little imagination.
Let's keep the energy going with a quick quiz. We'll ask a few questions related to creativity, and let's see how many of you know the answer to them. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. So, question 1: who invented the light bulb? Yes.
Could be. Stand. Could be.
Nice try.
Your science teacher will say to it, Manju ma'am, please note down.
Anyone else?
That it from the same class, I hope he'll.
Sketches or art? Sketches or art?
No, sorry.
Repeat the question, please.
Who invented the light bulb?
Campbell.
Okay, let's see the girl power here.
Thomas Edison.
Wonderful, that's correct.
In addition to your knowledge, could be and learning, please note down, and the others who are not aware of this answer.
Creativity is an important aspect of both innovation and invention. Without it, it would be difficult to come up with new ideas and solutions. So, can you name one way of how we can be creative in our studies?
Anyone who can come up with an idea, we can be creative with our studies
Over
also.
there.
Right. Yeah.
Listen to music while studying.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Of course that is.
Any more?
Many it increases the concentration. Anyone else with an idea? What's your name?
Yes, that's nice.
Thank you. And we just